Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this quick video I'll show to you guys how you can insert a PDF file on a Word document. So basically after you have opened your Word file or your Word document, you just have to go over Insert here, and then from all these options to insert something on your Word document you have to choose Object over here. So we click over Object here, and then from this tab here we click Create from File, and then here we have to browse the PDF file that we want to insert here. Alright, so this is the file that I want to insert, so I just click over there and then I click over Insert, and then I just choose the button or the option OK, and then the PDF file will show over here. One thing which is interesting is that actually this insert method will just show over your Word file the first page of your PDF file, and you just have to double click over this and it will show you the full PDF file that you have. So just the first page of the PDF is shown in the Word. In order to see the full PDF file, you just have to double click over this first page and then you can see the full PDF. Good, so this is the first method. Let me show you the other methods how to insert a PDF file inside of Word document. We go again over Object and then again over Create from File, and here we browse to the file that we want to insert. So we just click over Browse. So here it is the file that I want to insert. I click over Insert, but the change or the difference that I will do, I'll just link this to the file and I will display this as an icon inside of my Word file. You can change the icon if you want, but I'll just leave the PDF icon and then I click over OK. And basically, you will see inside of your Word document the name of the PDF file, and in order to see that, you just click on it and then it will redirect you to the PDF file that you have. So this is just linking or inserting the PDF file in this easy way on your Word document. The last method, which is actually one of the best methods in case that you want the full PDF file inside of your Word document, is to do the below. So we go over File here on Word document and then we click over Open, and then basically we have to browse to the location where I have the file. So this is the file that I want to insert fully on my Word. We click over Open, and basically what will do this will convert this PDF file to Word document. So we click over OK, and then basically what we are doing is that converting that PDF file on Word, and then even edit it. As you can see, it's very nice and very good. And this is another way how to insert the PDF file inside of your Word document. Great, so those are the methods how you can insert a PDF file inside of Word document. These are the default methods. There is nothing else that you can try. So the first one is to insert the PDF, but it will show only the first page. The second one is to insert like an icon, and the third method is to just basically convert it from PDF to Word. That's all I wanted to share to you guys. I hope you like this video and please consider subscribing to our channel. All the best. Thank you.